Hello YouTube. Thought I'd make a video here. We're getting a snowstorm at my house. This stuff just started about 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago the roads were clear. All this came up 30 minutes ago. That's how quick this stuff came down. That's my F-150, my wife's GMC Yukon, my Mustang that you do not drive in the snow. There's a car trying to get up a road right now. Some kind of, I don't know if it's an SUV, I don't know what it is, but this is serious business. Seen a guy walking a minute ago. There goes another truck down the road. Not sure what that car is doing, but we'll just see here in a minute. Calling for the biggest storm of the year, which is already February. Traffic's still moving, but it's about 4 in the evening. Actually, it's about 3, I think, 3:30. In the morning, I think it'll be a lot worse. My Mustang, my stepson's car, it's a Dodge Spirit. He went out about 5 minutes ago in it. He ain't been home 5 minutes. The windshield's already covered. I don't know if you can see the snowflakes falling on the video, but coming down pretty good. I scheduled vacation tomorrow to not go to work. I knew this was coming. There's not a lot to make a video of here where I live. I don't live on the main highway. That is a main road over there, but obviously traffic slowed down. This is supposed to be bad. There goes the car now. I don't drive in it. I used to. I did drove that truck right there last year. Had a riding lawnmower in the back for weight, and I didn't spin. Had a camper top on it, so I didn't care to put my lawnmower in it. But now I just take vacation, stay home. But anyway, I'll make another video in the morning, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.